Alright, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we're about to look at how to insert images into our website. Alright, so now let's move straight. Okay, so to insert an image we use the image tag, which is the img tag, and it's an empty element, so it ends with a / and a greater than symbol. Alright, so the image element actually contains some attributes. So now first of we use the src attribute, which the part of the image is inserted. Okay, so now as you can see we have the logo one image here. So you type the exact name of the image you want to insert. So .jpg, don't forget the jpg. Alright, so let's save it. Okay, so let's add this attribute to first. So the auth attribute is also an attribute that does this to describe the image, like to give a description of the image in case the browser cannot load the actual image. Now let's save it and run it. Alright, so you can see that the size of the image is too large. So now let's edit the height and width of the image. First off, let's specify the width. Alright, so it's also an attribute, so you just type width and you select the pixels, the number of pixels you want for the width. You do same for the height, select the number of pixels. Alright, so now let's save it and run it. Okay, so as you can see the size of the image has changed. Well, there's another way of specifying the width and the height, so let's try that one too. You can use either this one or the other one I'm about to teach you. Alright, so now this is the other way. You use the style attribute, where the width and the height will be inside the style attributes. So width, now you can specify a different width if you want. Don't forget the pixels and different height. Let's say 150 pixels here. So now let's save it and run it. As you can see the size and the height has changed. Also, now that's all for today's video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.